Hello friends and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about the comments in C language. The content of this video are: first we will see why comments are used in C language. Then we will see the single line comments. Then we will see multi-line comments. Then the practical implementation, where to and how to use the comments. If you had not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to stay updated. Join us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. First, let's see the use of comments. Comments are used to understand the code. For example, I am working in a company. I had written some code. When I leave the company, the other person will be viewing my code and he will understand my code using the comments I have written in that program. If I don't write any comments, it is hard to interpret what I have written in that code. So, comments are useful to understand the code. Now, comments are never compiled nor executed. So, you cannot see the output which you have written in the comments. Now, let's see the single line comment. Single line comments are used when you just need only one line to show what it is doing. This symbol is used to give single line comments. Now, multi line comments. The multi-line comments are used to define using this symbol. First, slash, backslash, star, and when the comment is completed, when whatever you need to write is completed, then we need to give star again slash. Now, this is an example. For example, multi-line comments. My first program in C, I am learning how to add comments. These are multi-line comments. You can use when you need to give some description or you need to show something more about a particular thing in the code. Now let's see the practical implementation of comments. Here there is a program in which we find the area of circle, but we don't know what this value does, what this formula does. So let's add some comments to understand the code. Now this value pi is the value of pi 3.14, that is 22 by 7. So let's write value of pi. Now here this variable r is for radius, radius of circle. So this radius of circle, and this pi r square is the formula for area of circle. So we will write area of circle. Now by using this double slash, we write single line comments as we have discussed earlier in theory session. Now let's write a multi-line comment. You can write comments anywhere. So let's write here a comment. Let's say this is the symbol for multi-line comments. You should start with a slash star and end with a star slash. This program finds the area of circle, and we can write the formula is pi r square pi into r. Now this is multi-line comment because we have writing more than one line, so we need to add this symbol slash star and star slash. Now let's run this program. Here let's run this program. Dot slash comments, the file name. Here We can say it's saying the enter the radius of circle. So let's say 5. Now here you can see radius is 5 and area is 78.5. But you can see that these comments are not executed, as I had said in the theory session, that these comments are never compiled nor executed in the program.